Ready to ditch the checkout hassle and make one-click ordering a reality? Let's dive into how to securely add your credit card to the Amazon app first. Open your Amazon app on your phone. Next, tap the menu icon. Those three horizontal lines usually located at the bottom right of your screen. In the menu, scroll down and tap on Account. This is where you'll find all your account settings. Now, scroll down until you see your payments and tap on it. This section manages all your payment methods. You'll see a list of your current payment methods. To add a new one, tap on the Add a Payment Method. Select Add a Credit or Debit Card option. You will then be prompted to enter your credit card details. Carefully fill in your card number, expiration date, and name as it appears on the card. You will be prompted to enter the billing address associated with your credit card. Make sure it exactly matches what your bank has on file for your card. Once you've added your card, you can set it as your default payment method. This will be the card Amazon uses for all future purchases unless you specify otherwise. Simply select your card and click the Set as Default option. And that's it. Your credit card is now securely added to your Amazon app. You are now ready to enjoy hassle-free shopping. Start browsing and enjoy the convenience of one-click ordering. Happy shopping!